Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to calibrate your Cricut cutting machine for print then cut. The first thing that you will need to do is to open Cricut Design Space and log into your account. Up at the top right hand corner, you'll click on Account and then Settings. When you get to the Design Space Settings pop-up window, you want to click on Machines. And then Machine Calibration, and then click on the drop-down menu to select the machine that you want to calibrate. I'm working with the Cricut Maker. You may have the 3 or 4 or Joy, one of the other machines. And then you're going to click on Start. And it's going to ask you, what do you want to calibrate about your machine? You want to calibrate the print, then cut. So click on Print, then cut. You'll select your printer from the drop-down list and click on Print. This will print out a calibration sheet for you. You'll then take that calibration sheet and load it into the top left-hand corner of your mat. Once you've done that, click on Continue. Load the mat into your Cricut and then follow the instructions for the print then cut calibration in Design Space. So you'll click on the Go button, the little Cricut light up button on your Cricut cutting machine. If your machine is going to scan the document to calibrate it, it's going to do some horizontal and vertical lines on the page. When it's done making all the calibration cuts, it's going to have another pop-up window asking you which number or in which letter the cuts are best centered in. Select that and press Continue. Your machine will continue with the calibration. Again, once it's finished with that phase, you'll get another prompt in Design Space. Make your selection, yes or no, and then click on Continue. And then when you're all through, you'll get a message in the Print Then Cut calibration saying the calibration is complete. You'll save that and you'll be ready to use the Print Then Cut feature in your Cricut cutting machine. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and come visit me over at thebirchcottage.com and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you.